I've had a death in the family and a lot of coronavirus. I've been, so I'm not up to speed with the binocular, and I'm just progressing with the course. But everything I'm doing is I'm putting into practice every day, and I'm noticing now if I put my old glasses on, my new glasses, which are like a year old, just to have a look, I go, oh, whoa, it's too strong. They're much too strong. So I've gone right down to the oldest glasses I can find, which is about 5 glasses. I'm going back 20 odd years. And there are days when I don't put them on at all. And sometimes I need to see something like a cooking instruction, and it might be blue with white letters or something. It's really hard to see. So I do my blinking and I rub here and that, and I say, right, you can see this, you're going to see this. And sometimes I have to move it a little bit and the window, but it's there. And it sometimes colours, suddenly a colour will go, what, it pops at me. Or I'm looking across the road at the roof and I think, I can see all the, each little slate, and some of that's got moss on and all that sort of thing. It's coming. I don't want to rush it. I want to set what I'm doing in stone. So that's great, and thank you.